Okay, so using the chart of ions or radicals which has been given into your textbooks, we are going to use the cross multiplication method and write down the chemical formulas of the following compounds. Many are there, I'll help you out. Let's begin. The first one is calcium carbonate. So here Ca2 plus, CO3 2 minus, 2 plus and 2 minus cancels, gives me CaCO3. Sodium bicarbonate, Na with a charge of 1 plus, HCO3 with a charge of 1 minus, 1 plus 1 minus cancels, NaHCO3 is your final answer. Silver chloride, Ag with a charge of 1 plus, Cl with a charge of 1 minus, gives me obviously AgCl. Calcium hydroxide, think about this carefully. Ca with a charge of 2 plus, OH with a charge of 1 minus. The 1 comes to calcium, but even if you don't write it, it's fine. The 2 has to go to hydroxide, but then the 2 has to be valid for both O and H, so I place it in brackets. So CaOH the whole twice. Magnesium oxide, think Mg2 plus, O2 minus, 2 plus 2 minus, common factor, reduce it down, you're getting 1 and 1. So the final formula is going to be MgO. And ammonium phosphate, difficult, think about this carefully. Ammonium is NH4 with a charge of 1 plus. Phosphate is PO4 with a charge of 3 minus. The 1 of ammonium goes to phosphate. Even if you don't write it down, it's fine. Phosphate has a valency of 3, it goes to ammonium. But then I want that 3 to be valid for N as well as H. I want it to be valid for the entire ammonium. So I take NH4 and I put it into brackets. The final formula obviously comes as NH4 the whole thrice PO4. Continuing, we have cuprous bromide. Cuprous is the lower valency of copper, Cu1 plus Br1 minus, that is CuBr. Copper sulfate, so copper we will take the higher valency over here, Cu2 plus, SO4 2 minus, 2 plus 2 minus cancels, you get CuSO4. Potassium nitrate, K with a charge of 1 plus, NO3 with a charge of 1 minus, 1 plus 1 minus cancels, you get KNO3. Sodium dichromate, something that we've discussed in the previous question as well, Na with a charge of 1 plus, Cr2O7 with a charge of 2 minus. The Na1 plus goes to Cr2O7, you don't write it down, it's perfectly fine. Cr2O7 2 minus goes to Na, the 2 has to be written, and therefore I get the formula as Na2 Cr2O7.